Want to take your cookie decorating skills to the next level? In the delightful world of baking, cookie decorating is a fun way to express your creativity. Today, we'll explore 5 exciting tips that can make your cookies the talk of the town. Stay tuned to discover these top 5 ways to elevate your cookie decorating game. Starting at number 5, we have experiment with color. Color plays a vital role in cookie decorating, adding a whole new level of depth to your designs. It can turn a simple cookie into a vibrant, edible masterpiece. So remember, don't be afraid to play with colors. Moving on to number 4, use a variety of tools. A single brush or spatula can't do it all. Different tools, from toothpicks to icing tips, can create unique effects and designs on your cookies. So always keep your toolkit diversified. Coming in at number 3 is practice piping techniques. Mastering piping techniques is key for creating intricate designs. It's all about control and precision. Start with basic shapes, then gradually work your way up to more complex patterns. Remember, practice makes perfect. At number 2, we have learn about icing consistencies. Knowing the difference between thick and thin icing can be a game changer for your designs. Thicker icing is great for outlining, while thinner icing floods in smoothly. So, get to know your icing. And finally, at number 1 is plan your design. Mapping out your cookie masterpiece beforehand can streamline the decorating process, making it smoother and more enjoyable. Think of it as your blueprint to cookie success. So, always plan your design. That wraps up our top 5 tips to elevate your cookie decorating game. We've explored the art of experimenting with color, the value of using a variety of tools, mastering piping techniques, understanding icing consistencies, and the importance of planning your design. Remember, cookie decorating is not just about the end result, but the fun and creativity that goes into each delicious masterpiece. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks.